What up, YouTube? My name is Demetrius B. I am the Box Truck Prince. Welcome to today's video. Got something a little different for you guys today. Coming on a walk with me over to Stone Mountain. About to go hiking real quick. And gonna talk to you guys about some things that have kind of been on my mind that I want to share with you. So, as you can see from the title of today's video, we're going to be talking about how you truly can be successful. Oh, hi kitty. In the box truck game. And also, I guess we're going to go say hello to the cat real quick. Hey there. I'm friendly. Just like that. Cat's gone. Yeah, so as you can tell from today's title of today's video, I'm going to be talking about how my life has changed since I started my trucking business and what you can do. What does it take for you to become successful in the box truck game as an entrepreneur, as a business owner? Let's get right into it, man. All right, here we go. I'm all stretched out, ready to climb the mountain. So I can't even, where do I begin? Where do I even begin? Man, these past 5 months have been surreal. That's the only thing I can say. Pretty much the way my life has changed is I can't even keep up with it anymore, to be honest. Can't even keep up with it anymore. Just taking it day by day. You know, starting this trucking business has given me the freedom that I was looking for, the freedom I've been desiring. And quite honestly, you can do this with any vehicle. This just so happened to be the one for me. And I just kept trying things and constantly failing until this was the first one that hit. I gotta be honest with you guys. This was the first one that really hit, and it's been uphill from here, literally. Uphill from here, you know. That's the only way I can put it. So continue along the journey. For those of you that are hearing this, continue along the journey, continue along the process. Don't allow anybody to stop you, because life is an uphill battle. That's all it is. It's a constant uphill battle. There'll be obstacles and hurdles along the way, but it's up to you to decide how you want to attack those hurdles. That's it. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna allow the boulder to crash down on top of you? Or are you gonna move that boulder out the way? And the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Because what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna get to a point where the problems that you think are problems are actually really good problems. Like, I don't have bad problems anymore. I have good problems. So keep that in mind as you're moving forward.
And by the way, also, best part of it is I'm watching all these skinny kids struggle, and I'm like,
all right, I'm gonna continue going along the journey. I'm gonna come back with y'all once I get a little closer to the top of this mountain. Let's get to it. All right, halfway to the halfway point. Halfway to the halfway point. On this mountain we call life, right? It's gonna be people that move faster. It's gonna be people that move slower. Forget those people. If somebody's moving faster than you, so what? Move at your own pace. Everything isn't for everybody. Don't rush things. Take your time. Life is going to be long. Put in the work now so you can do what you want later on. Because in this race, it's only you versus you. That's it. Nobody else. It's only you versus you. Period. Don't be afraid to ask for help. You're gonna need help along the way. All right. Halftime. We halfway there. I'm tired. I'm tired. But it's all good. We're gonna keep pushing. Stop and take a look real quick. Look at this. Look at that right there, Jesus. Okay. And this ain't the top neither. Like I said, this is the halfway point. Look at this. For those of you that have made it this far, I appreciate you. For those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. We get into it. Let me get to the top, and I will tell you guys how to be successful in box trucking. Let's go. Here we go. Almost to the top. Then I'm gonna give y'all what you want, what you came here to see. Just wait on it. It's coming. As soon as I get to the top of this hill. Whew. Okay, I'm really tired now. I'm tired, but we're almost there. All right, see y'all when we get to the top. All right, so let's get right into it. How you can become successful in box trucking boils down to two things: having to work and understanding your numbers. That means cost per mile and rate per mile. Cost per mile coming soon, very soon. That video is coming soon, this week probably. So be on the lookout for that. Okay. Cost per mile and having the work. And actually, a side note, another thing for having the work is understanding that you need to keep your expenses as low as possible. That'll give you the best chance to succeed in this, period. Keep your overhead as low as possible. More money, the more profit you will make personally and in your business too. All right, let's talk about mindset. So you are going to need determination. You are going to need all those intrinsic values that come with being successful. Determination, willpower, the ability to be able to push yourself beyond your current situation. You're going to have to become somebody that you are currently not in order to get what you want out of life. See, because I'm going to keep it real with y'all. my goals, they're the only motivation I need. I'm not in a place where I really read books like that anymore because, except for when it's a subject matter that I'm interested in, whether it be relationships or anything like that. But as far as stuff that I want to do, my goals are motivation enough for me to get out of bed in the morning and get things done. So you got to work on your work ethic if that's what you need to do. You're going to have to become somebody you're not in order to get what you want in life. That's what this boils down to. So that's pretty much it, guys.